Hi, I'm Angus from Multibrands International and welcome to Multibrands Product of the Week. We want to show you what makes our products unique and why they'll provide a good return of investment for your business. Our product of the week is the Fluorodine Flex Max toothbrush. You can find Fluorodine oral care products in retailers all over the world. From travel kits to toothbrushes and toothpaste, our dental products help people take care of their dental hygiene and retailers to take care of their revenue. If you'd like to find out more about our Fluorodine oral care products, don't hesitate to get in touch with our sales team at info@multibrands.eu.com. If you're based outside the UK, we have international offices to get in touch with. You can always email us or head over to our website at www.fluorodine.eu.com. Thanks for watching.